Hello everyone, this is Howard from Diego Remodeling. A customer hired us to do a complete makeover in their existing bathroom. We installed a new door. We put down new tile floor. Installed a new bathroom cabinet. We're going to have granite on the top of the countertop. What's nice about these cabinets, folks, is they're self-closing hinges and drawers. We installed new drywall. We'll be installing a new toilet. We just completed installing the tile on the shower. It's going to have a frameless glass door. This is tumbled tile. With the tumbled chiseled edges. And then what's nice about us folks is when we do the design of the tile, we'll always put a border. And we used all tumbled tile on that. So it gives you the accent that we're looking for. New shower valve. We also installed a new bathroom window, a new exhaust fan. We put in new bathroom light, new electrical. Our phone number is area code 619-850-4794. You can call us for your bathroom makeovers and any type of bathroom repairs you may have at your home or your office. Thanks for watching our video. We're more than happy to come out and give you a free estimate. Have a great day and bye for now.